This 2016 F-150 5-liter had a very loud tapping type noise that some may mistake for the typewriter noise that Ford claims is normal. This noise you're hearing in the first part of this video is not the typewriter noise. This sounds almost like a diesel and it is very loud. You can hear it all the way across the parking lot. So I did some investigating on this one and I found the timing chain was loose as shit. So I installed new primary timing chains, primary and secondary chain tensioners, guides, and phasers, and that solved the noise. Note that this one also had no DTCs and it also ran perfectly fine. One more thing I've also seen cause a noise like this are failed rocker arms. When that happens, the roller on the rocker arm usually collapses down and the camshaft lobe will begin to hit the body of the rocker. And 9 times out of 10, you're going to catch it when it's too late and it's going to damage the camshaft lobe, which means you would have to replace the camshaft. And so if that is a case for you, then you would need to replace both the affected camshaft, and while you're in there, you have to take out all the timing components anyway. Replace all of the rockers, all of the lifters, and all your timing components, just to be safe. So anyway, I'm just posting this just for anybody else looking for some info. If you have this noise, go ahead and just pull your valve covers off and inspect all of your rockers and your timing components. When inspecting your timing components, be sure you turn the engine over by hand a little bit and inspect them, and turn a little bit more and re-inspect them just to be sure. So that's pretty much all I got.